See, this is now connected to the power, and I can just switch on this and switch on this one, but I can't switch on this button, and the power doesn't come on, so it doesn't turn on. But other these two working. However, this one can be turned on in any circumstances. Only what I can do, I can see if there's a plug connected to that. I can take off the plug. Right, I did take off, then put it back, and now I can. Now it works. So it works for about probably an hour after turn off. After an hour, it goes back again. I can't turn on this one, only these two. So that means this product is faulty. Something wrong with this product.